Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. I've been running around doing a lot of things, a lot of things that are good, but I think the best thing that I can do for myself right now is just stop and take care of my body, take care of me, which is so important. So I've decided to just, embark get on a weight loss journey. I've tried it several times. I just haven't never said anything about it. But I've tried it several times and it's never worked. I tried fasting. I tried, juicing. None of that worked. I just fall off and I just never took it seriously. But this time I am so serious because I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 toddlers that depend on me and it's tough and it's not easy. But at the same time, even though I look okay outside, I don't feel okay within. I don't feel, meaning I don't feel myself. I just know that, I need to lose a few pounds. Right now, as I stand before you, this video, I'm about 175. And that's where I'm starting, and that's a bit chunky for just being 5'4". So I need to do something. I need to stop and do something. So now is the time, and I need to live for my kids. It's that important. If nothing else, I need to live for my kids. So you come on this journey with me. Even though my channel is a beauty channel, weight loss is part of being healthy and being beautiful inside and out. So I know a lot of, it's hard to get on any kind of journey, especially weight loss, because, so many people who come through the ups, the downs, the in-betweens of it and just, give up because it's not easy. It takes effort, it takes grit, it takes heart, it takes everything you get, and basically you meet yourself, you get to know what stuff you're made of once you do, as far as you get into weight loss whatsoever. And so I'm not gonna ramble too much. I just simply want to just get on here and just let you all know, those of you that follow my channel, that I've decided to just stop everything and take care of me, really take care of me, and lose this weight. So my goal, now that I'm 175, my goal is to lose 50 pounds. I know it's not gonna take a week or a month, maybe 6 months to a year, I can achieve it. But I am dead set. I am dead set on losing this weight. I must lose this weight. I feel like I don't even recognize myself because I've never been this big. But it's okay, it's all part of self-love, and so I'm gonna do everything I can to shed this weight. I just need for you to just, come on this journey with me, and we can do it together. we can do it together and encourage each other and motivate each other and help each other along. So yeah, I just want to just come on here real quick and just say that, I've decided to get healthy for me and do it right. And so, come with me and let's see where this road leads or takes us. Mwah.